Welcome to Healthy Ways, and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your health in many ways. It might be difficult to get moving for a run. Be that as it may, more often than not, you'll be increasingly satisfied and happy with yourself on the off chance that you get up and do it. Consider the reasons you need to run in any case. Inquire as to whether running is something you appreciate, since you'll be bound to rustle up the inspiration for a movement you genuinely need to do. It's anything but difficult to think of reasons to abstain from something, yet the key is to counter those reasons with motivations to do what needs to be done. Regularly, inspiration follows activity. So get yourself together and get going. You'll feel better in the wake of running, and you'll be upbeat you adhere to your daily schedule. We should investigate 20 hints that will assist you with finding the motivator to step up your game and focus on your running daily practice. Inspiration for any run. Regardless of whether you're arranging a light run around your neighborhood or a serious interim preparing exercise, these tips can rouse you to run out the entryway. 1. Get serious. Search for a touch of benevolent rivalry, if that is something you appreciate. Discover a gathering of individuals to run with so as to keep up the pace, or graph your occasions against others with a wellness application. 2. Prize yourself. The intensity of prizes doesn't stop at adolescence. Make a prize framework for yourself. Track your procedure with classic count stamps, or make a diagram total with stickers. Spot it someplace obvious so you'll see it regularly. Prizes can be something as straightforward as permitting yourself an additional 30 minutes of rest or booking a back rub. Or then again you can go all out with a celebratory tattoo. 3. Lower your base time. On days when you can't meet your day-by-day least time, run for whatever measure of time you have accessible as opposed to passing on it totally. Along these lines, you're bound to remain in the swing of things since you won't have missed a whole day. 4. Keep up a solid weight. Running consumes calories, lessens paunch fat, and causes you settle on sound nourishment decisions. It can likewise assist you with meeting your weight reduction objectives or keep up your objective weight. 5. Get in a gathering groove. More is always better with regards to aggregate inspiration. Discover one or a few preparing accomplices with whom you can set up a running timetable. Regardless of whether you don't run together every day, you can rally a couple of times each week for responsibility. 6. Feel the endorphin vitality. The sprinter's high is genuine. You may encounter sentiments of energy or even elation, as running improves your state of mind and causes you to feel better by discharging endorphins, one of the joy hormones. 7. Set objectives. Break your expectations into little, reasonable advances. This can incorporate the measure of time you put in every week, how quick you run a specific separation, or the quantity of days you run. 8. Dress for the activity you need to do. Dressing admirably can positively affect how you see yourself, and it might inspire you to run all the more regularly. Shop for exercise attire and shoes that you'll appreciate wearing. Or on the other hand, utilize your athletic garments as an opportunity to try different things with styles you wouldn't ordinarily attempt. That could mean going for splendid hues or wearing shorts when you typically wouldn't. 9. Let the music move you. Set aside the effort to make a playlist of all your preferred tunes. Select peppy melodies that sets you feeling great and move you to move. Just permit yourself to tune into these melodies while you run. 10. Keep track with an application. Keep steady over your objectives by utilizing an inspiration or propensity following application. Many permit you to set updates, interface with individuals through discussions, and view charts that keep tabs on your development. 11. Mix the routine. Switch up your daily practice in any event one day of the week. Run slopes rather than a significant distance, or include a few runs. You can likewise run in an alternate neighborhood, do your standard course in reverse, or change the hour of day. 12. Feel the daylight all over. Running is a phenomenal method to get the daylight expected to help serotonin levels. This assists with setting you feeling great while decreasing sorrow and nervousness. 13. Set your own tone. The main individual you need to reply to is yourself, so don't hesitate to run at any speed that feels better. Choose if you like to run at top speed or even more relaxed pace. Morning runspiration. The early morning loans a specific vitality to your run, and you may feel like you're stretching out beyond the game, which can establish a positive pace for your whole day. 14. Be on the correct side of the bed. Beginning your day by scratching off your running box is a gigantic achievement. Doing it first thing leaves you with less possibilities for interruption or becoming involved with such accompanies the monotonous routine. You'll feel better intellectually and genuinely for completing it early. 15. Lull in morning quietness. Appreciate the magnificence and quietness of the early morning. Getting up early permits you to set aside effort for yourself and appreciate this tranquil, serene time of day. Different advantages incorporate lifts to your efficiency and fixation. Hitting the path. Running on trails will give you another point of view, and can prepare your body to move in various manners. You may turn out to be increasingly mindful of foot position, which can assist you with centering your brain and remain present. Furthermore, running on soil is more delicate on your body than asphalt. 16. Associate with nature. Taking in outside air and encircle yourself with the characteristic excellence of trees, lakes, and slopes can be intellectually invigorating. Also, being outside is a characteristic mindset supporter. Regardless of whether you can't escape the city consistently, have a go at visiting a characteristic park in any event once every week. 17. See the natural. Life arouse your interest and try to find out about a portion of the normal natural life and plants in your general vicinity. Set out to find or observe one new part of nature each time you visit a running path. Long-distance race inspiration. Running a long-distance race requires organized preparing over a set time frame, so you'll have to focus on a strategy. Plan cautiously to ensure you have a lot of time to get ready. 18. Think like a pro runner. Pursue a couple of shorter race, for example, a 5K, 10K, and half long distance race, and step by step develop your way to a full long distance race. Along these lines, you'll begin to figure out after a preparation plan and what it resembles to contend. 19. Get the show on the road. Pursue the long distance race you need to run in any event 5 months ahead of time. When you've set your heart and aim on this race, start your long-distance race arrangement. Ensure you're knowledgeable in what precisely this involves, and adhere to your preparation plan. 20. Discover a fan club. Running a long-distance race is no little accomplishment, and if it's your initial one, let your companions know. They'll joyfully bolster you and check in with your advancement as you plan. Your companions may even need to go along with you for parts of your preparation. In addition, they can write in their schedule so they're available on the enormous day to support you. The most effective method to remain inspired. You'll have to remain serious and ensure you keep up this drive for a long time, without fail, so as to accomplish your exercise objectives. In the event that it works for you to have a set daily practice, proceed toward this path. In the event that it's simpler for you to remain spurred when you switch up your everyday practice, at that point accomplish something else. Run runs, slopes, and significant distances on various days. Switch up your area and the hour of day to keep it differed, which will keep you from getting exhausted. The reality. At last, you're the one in particular who can bind up your shoes and set out on your course. It's anything but difficult to drill down the reasons why you can't run on some random day, however it's similarly as simple to turn it around by making a rundown of the reasons why you can. Remain concentrated on the reasons you like to run and the advantages it brings. In the event that you need some additional inspiration, contact a run mentor, or join a run bunch in your general vicinity. Make sense of what your objectives are, what encourages you accomplish them, and focus on a strategy. Confide in yourself to lead the way. Thank you for watching. And as promised, you may download the ebooks from the links in description below. Healthy Ways. Subscribe for daily health tips.